Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about access attack. And can you stop those attacks? So, what is attack? First of all, we need to understand what is the motive behind those attack and how many types of access attacks are possible. Okay, we all of us are having some valuable data, information, okay, or resources in our on our computer, in our organization, okay, and just to understanding the value of those resources, we are giving access to the authorized person who can understand, yes, this is the value of our resources, our data, and I am the person who is take 100% responsibility of it, to use it, to protect it from unauthorized access. Okay, because that data or the resources can be valuable for you, and it is valuable for the hackers as well. So when a person is just trying to access the resources which they are not having access right, okay, so they will try to perform attack on it, and that is what access attack. Okay, and today I will discuss about what those attacks and what is the motive behind those attacks. First of all, we need to understand why the hackers want to perform that access attack. Okay. For example, you are having a server here, okay, which store the information from different components, from different computers, you can say, okay, and this information is very valuable. It can be the information from the company's employee, okay, it can be the information of the users which you are having, or the customers, or can be any kind of information, okay, and here is the attacker or hacker, you can say, and he also want to have access on this particular data, and because this is not, he or she not having the right to have access on it, okay, so that is the one of the motive. Another is to access the system. Might be the intention can be, I want to steal some information from here, okay, or I want to damage the data whatever exists on it, or whatever the services are running on that particular server, or on particular PC, or on particular device, I want to disrupt it, so that the when legitimate traffic will come it on it, so I can stop it, okay, or I want to encrypt the data on the particular system, okay. Another is to escalate the access privilege. Might be here is another person who is just a legitimate user of that company, okay, but he is having only read permission on that particular data, and now uh, he is having some evil intentions and want to escalate, want to increase their privilege, so that might be he can he wanted to delete the data because he is unhappy from the organization, okay, and he wants to damage, or he wants to steal that information from that server and want to share that information with the competitor. Might be he will get some incentive in return of this information. Clear? So these are the motive behind it. Now then what type of common access attack can be? First of all, the access attack is password attack, okay, because whatever the data we are having, to access on uh, that particular data, we need a password. Password is just like a key of our house, which will open the lock and whatever inside our house we are having access on it. clear, or pass the hash. Maybe here attackers are using different tools. Okay, I have discussed these things in the previous sessions as well. Okay, or in the future I will also discuss. And pass the hash means maybe whatever the hash value they will collect on the systems, might be that having the hash value of the password. Okay, they want to pass it. Okay, or exploit the trust. Okay, for example, here is the attacker, and he uh, is having access on the system B, clear, and somehow he's uh, we can say like um, somehow able to access on that particular system. Now just exploit the vulnerability whatever exists on the system. Okay, and on the base of that exploitation, he can also access the other systems as well. Might be he is able to access the admin right of on that particular system, clear, and maybe port redirection. Port redirection, whatever the traffic is passing through the network, they will assign to the specific port. For example, we are accessing the website, and with the HTTP protocol, it will access on the port number 80 or the FTP port number 21. So, similar way, the other ports for the SSL or for the some other protocols. Every protocol need to access the data, or just to whatever they want to do, they can perform with a specific on the port number. Okay, so the traffic which is passing from the one port, they can be redirect or just turn around on the another port as well. Clear? Or maybe that access attack can be with the help of the spoofing of the IP MAC or of the DSCP spoofing. They can steal the identity of the some other person's IP address or the MAC addresses, or they can have attack on the DSCP and can implant their own DSCP server in the network. Okay, so there are multiple ways hackers can have access attack and can damage on our data on our system and to our organizations. Clear? And you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Share that session with your friends and group members as well, so that they will be able to understand, yes, what is access attack, and different type of access attacks are possible. So now there is a question for you. Can you stop those one? Give me the answer. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about how just you can build a network monitoring, network security monitoring system at your home. Namaste. See you in the next session.